Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Alexandra. In today's video we are going to continue my garden decorating and updating. If you can remember where it's all started from, very dry deserted garden, look at it. And I made a pallet decking, pallet chair and all that. Now the grass is all nice, back and fresh. I have also given the fence walls some bit of touch of paint. As you can see, I did this one last year, but I'm not sure I was able to share the video. So now that I finally am sharing it, and then this year I painted this side of it, the other opposite side of it. And so if you can see those two plants that were there, they were from last year. I couldn't do much with them, so I left them there. This year, after painting and everything, I decided to do a palette planter, which I think I posted in my previous videos. And so this time I'm also painting the whole of the garden everywhere else to make the whole place look open, airy. I got this little plant hanging for the wall, and then this little lights and stuff. I've bought quite a lot of things now to make the garden look really nice. And finally we got a tree coming in. So this is currently how the garden looked from last year, and I added that planter there and a bit of touches. So now I'm going to change things around. I've hung my little lamps there. They are solar lamps, so really handy. I got a few today. This is the tree I got for the garden. It looks really cute. It's really tall, so it will give the garden a bit of shapey and make it look good. So that is it all on the floor there. I have a few pots which I gave to my sister, and I have this one left, so I'm going to use this one to plant the tree in the garden. So first of all, I decided to put it in to see how it will fit, but then I realized it's too tall because of the soil, so I had to take it out and empty some of the soil out and refill it after. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm going to take the tree out, fill it up, empty some of the soil out, then bring it back into it. So there it feels a bit better. Now I'm going to carry it to the corner where I want it to be. I first of all wanted it to be just right behind the shed, but then I realized it will be hiding and it will not give any much shade to the garden. So I decided to put it in the corner where that hanging basket is. That hanging basket I did about almost a few weeks ago. I bought this basket off Facebook, and the lining I bought from B&M, which I realized is too small for the basket, so I had to wrap the top up to cover it to make it look better. So hopefully next year the whole garden will come into place and all the plants and everything will look more fresh. Inside that planter I've planted a few more flowers and things, but they are taking a long time to grow, so I'll just let them be and take their own time. I'm sure early next year, when I start to plant the things earlier, they will come out and you look more flowery and all that. And also, to not make the garden look boring, I've also bought some flowers and stuff which I'm going to put into this garden. First of all, I decided to pull the planter to the side because the pot was quite a bit too big in the corner, so pulling it to the side is more helpful for the plant. And as I put the plant there, I had to readjust it properly, because if you look in the garden, there is another garden at the side. The way they have put up these houses, the gardens are so close to each other, and you can see right when you're standing upstairs, you can see right into someone's garden, which is not really nice. I don't like that. It's not like privacy. So anyway, that is done. I'm going to continue with just the rest of the planting and all that, filling a little bit of soil around the plant to make sure it is very stable and all that. So making sure that I adjusted the plant away from the other person's garden so that it doesn't distract or disturb them. You know what I mean? Some people can be a bit funny. So anyway, so all done with that, I'm going to continue with more planting. Also, if you look on the left, those plants that were there from last year, they were all fake. I put in that stones that I placed there last year, but then I'm going to take them off. This boxos also plant, I bought it from my front door. If you saw in some of my videos, there were two of them, and then earlier this year some worms were in it, eating up the plant, and they all almost died. So I decided to take them all off and restart them again. I've given them feed, and I've sprayed medicines and stuff on them, which has killed them off. So now I'm going to make sure I give it more attention to make sure they grow back. The one right in the corner there was also dying, but it seems like it's growing back a little bit, so hopefully they will all come back looking fresh and nice next year, which I'm going to put this one in the corner by the other small planter. And so continuing, I also bought some nice looking lights for the garden. All the lightnings I bought for the garden are also solar chargeable, so in the winter, summer, every time it will be on, it will be recharged by the sun. I don't need to put battery or anything inside, just leave it there and they are doing their work. Those artificial plants by the shed, I'm going to take them to the left side of the fence to see how they look. And these are the flowers I got. They look so pretty, that's why I got them. The thing is, when I wanted to plant them in the garden, the ground is so hard and tough. And these are the lightning that I got. They look so cute. I got them off Amazon, and in the night they look so gorgeous. I'm not going to lie, this light looks so good. If you look at them, you think there is a bulb hanging inside. Yeah, there is a bulb, but it's like a big plasticky bulb, so it will not get damaged by water or anything, or the film inside will not get broken. It look really good quality. So just taking all this off from last year. The reason why I'm changing those little lights that I had from last year is that most of them are broken. They are very cheap. I bought them from the pound shop, and well, they've done their job. They are broken, and so I'm going to take those ones that are broken. I actually remend some of them and put it at the top where the big planter is, so that in the night it will also light up. I think they light up like whitish, and these new ones are a bit warm, kind of yellowish, so it will kind of balance the whole garden. In the night the garden looks really nice and all lights up. And even if you look at it now, the painting and everything has made the garden look actually fresh and look bigger. I think because of the color to it, it all looks really nice now. Anyway, so continuing, this is the fake plant I was saying I'm going to put at the side to see how it will be. One thing is that the ground is so dry. You can't dig and put anything there, and before they put this grass on, the stones underneath is like so hard. The garden, the way it's designed, is like it's slanted down, so if you can see, it is like raised at the top and then all the way coming down, so it's not that balanced. It doesn't look the best garden anyway, so I'm just managing it around. So this is how I'm going to put this plant there. When I finish, I'm going to dig some little bit of holes and put them there properly. So getting on, I'm just going to stack the rest of the fake plants like in the planter to give it some more kind of life, because that place is still really bare for me. I wish I can get some nice really good trees to put there, which maybe I will hunt for later. And you can see those fig trees, one of them has lost its leaves because of the sun that came a few weeks ago. So just managing them, and I'll keep planting and also watering the ones that have grown, and to see how they will look. So currently this is how the whole garden look. This is the light. Closer to it, it looks so gorgeous. You can see like a bulb inside and a film. This is so nice in the night. I will not lie to you, I love this. This is the best buy so far. And to the right is the flowers that I've put there. They are still in the pots, and I've dug the floor to make sure they are sticking down properly, because the ground is so hard. You can't do anything with it. It's like full of stones really. So I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'll have to find a way to dig and put the flowers there. And also going in is the tray that I put, and this is the ones that I put into the basket. Hopefully they will grow. I don't know, I should have done all this earlier in the year before all this summer and stuff, so I don't know how long it will take to grow. Let's see. And this one look actually really nice. I was thinking to paint the planter or pot in which the tree is, but I wasn't sure with the color that I was going to go for. Also looking at it, I think it still look really cute with that kind of warmish color, because painting everything black and white will like take the beauty of the garden away, I think. So I will leave it at the moment and see how it goes. And so this is the other light that I got, also solar chargeable lamp. You can see like another bulb inside. It looks so cute. So let me show you how they all look in the night. It is so gorgeous. This is the other one. Actually it's a set, that is two of them. I hang one at this side of the shed. I may take the one at the back of the fence and come and hang at the other side of the shed, like two lamps. And so this is how the other lights are looking in the night. So far it looks so cute, especially when you stand upstairs and you're looking through. Thank you today for watching this video and following my small garden decor and updates. I hope this will inspire you to also continue going for that small garden that you have. Don't give up on it, you know, it goes a long way to get to this, so I know you can also do it. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave comments below if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Also the other side is where I put last year those rechargeable lamps, and they are still there doing really well. Anyway, so this side is also the window side of that's my kitchen side, and how it looks. I'm just showing you around how everything looks in the garden. So currently it's full of light everywhere, so bright and beautiful.